Is there a park around here, like Tri-City Park, do you know?
I know there's one if you go down and you take State College up and you take a left at Bassin Cherry, there's one there.
Okay, cool. Thank you. That guy's a total gang stalker. So, 7 JHB 045. So that guy right there is going on YouTube. Alright, so he has been sitting. So I was coming to wash my car, right? And I just knew he would be over here afterwards, right? So how did I know to come and find this guy after the car wash? And how did I know he'd be sitting over here waiting? So he's one of them guys that swerves in your lane and all that bullshit. And he just came over here the whole time and sat here. And then when I was talking to him, I don't know if you guys noticed, but a horn went off. That means everybody alert, I'm over here talking to this punk ass pussy. So that's all.